Uninstalling unnecessary apps can free up space, reduce system load, and extend your device's lifespan. But what if you accidentally remove something important? In this video, we'll show you how to recover uninstalled programs on Windows 10 or 11, including their installation files, folders, and associated data. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss helpful recovery tutorials. How to check installed apps. Before using any recovery tools, it's a good idea to double-check whether the app is truly uninstalled or just hidden. So, go to Settings, click Apps. Here, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar to see if the program is still on your system. But if it's no longer listed, or the folder has been deleted from your drive, don't worry. That's where a powerful recovery tool like 4DDig comes in. To recover permanently deleted programs, we'll be using Tenorshare 4DDig, a reliable and professional data recovery tool. It can help you restore program folders, exe installers, and any data generated by those applications, even if they've been removed from the system. First, download and install 4DDig on your computer. Launch the program, then select the drive where the application was originally installed, typically the C drive. Mine is the D drive, and click Start to begin. Next, choose the file types you want to recover, for example, application files or folders. Once selected, 4DDig will scan the drive for any deleted or lost data related to uninstalled programs. After the scan completes, you can select the X file to be recovered and choose the save location. Make sure to save the recovered data to a different partition to avoid overwriting. Then reinstall the restored application files, and you are done. Method 2. Use System Restore to recover uninstalled program. System Restore is a built-in Windows feature that lets you roll your system back to a previous state without affecting personal files. This is more convenient than reinstalling the app, as it can also restore any work you've done within the app. Click the Start button and open Settings. In the search bar, type Recovery and select it from the results. Choose Open System Restore, then click Next. Select a restore point that was created before you uninstalled the program, then click Next to confirm and begin the restore process. If no restore points are shown, it's likely because system protection is turned off on your device. Hopefully, you were able to recover and uninstall the program using the above two methods. If you also need to recover lost or deleted photos, videos, documents, or other files, we strongly recommend trying Tenorshare 4DDig. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical Windows recovery tips. See you